These videos that I sent you will stop the dreaming, but it is just first aid. You have to become a spiritualist and align with your spirit and start keeping taboos so that your spirit will not be fighting against you again, because that sex in dream is your spirit fighting against you, or that spirit having access to come and fight against you. So these videos will first of all clear that stuff away. Then you have to begin your spirituality journey. Otherwise, if you after first aid and you resuscitate the person and you don't change your life, yeah, amazing. Bro, have you checked out my new song, Eguya? You can listen it for yourself. If not, you can send it to somebody who is mourning the loss of a beloved female, their mother, their babe, their wife, or their CL. Yeah, thanks. Check it out.